BVFD checked out. They're going to be sitting in the wrecker on the exit ramp.
Did we just pass them?
Yeah, but just get on.
Yep.
And when you do, go down the emergency lane, all right? I know it's tight, but that's what they prefer.
Okay, you just hit that horn until they get the
Yeah.
Rescue 1, Medic 12-7, 37 Lametown Road, Parkway positions, 80-year-old male, cardiac. Rescue 1, Medic 12-7, 37 Lametown Road, Parkway positions, 80-year-old male, cardiac. Crossroads Bluers Boulevard, Norwood Drive, 1545. On scene 1545. For patient contact, channel 3, please. For engine 3, you can clear per 753.
Affirmative, and 3 is clear, back in.
Top for 1545.
get off right here too, right?
Yeah, just be careful. I don't know where.
5 o'clock, Medic 12-7. Medic 12-7. 12-7 is responsive. 12-7 en route 1546, channel 3. By 10.